after preparing to turn left. Look at that tricycle truck, it's billowing black smoke. Something's wrong. Let's brake immediately. Suddenly, the car just lifted up. Luckily, we saw something was wrong and braked immediately. Otherwise, this whole thing would have separated and landed on our car. Now it's fine. You've unloaded the goods for them halfway. That curve up ahead. Watch how this car turns. It just crashed into the other car. How did it turn that corner? See, there's still a solid yellow line there. The car that turned went directly into the other lane. You took a short right turn, didn't you? In this case, it's definitely your fault. I guess at this intersection, can you see if there are any traffic lights ahead? Can't see any. It looks like both a left turn and going straight are possible. But there's traffic coming straight towards us. Look at how scary you're driving. When you turn, you should at least yield to the straight moving traffic, right? Don't think they're going to yield to you. After all, you're turning, right? They're going straight. Following this truck in front. What's going on in front of him? We can't see, right? He's blocking the way. The blind spot is huge now. Suddenly, this car just slammed on the brakes. Suddenly, a fishtail. Emergency. What's going on? Isn't it scary to see this ahead of you? That's why. You must maintain a safe distance from the car in front. The brake lights of the car in front in the tunnel are on. It seems you've long been preparing to change the bumper. You need to pay attention. Now the opportunity has come, right? There's definitely trouble ahead. Let's see. This one is also a runaway car. This driver is too calm, but this owner's behavior, watching them drifting over so long, is much calmer than the previous one. And you haven't slowed down earlier? Honking the horn. What do you think is going on in your head? Are they turning right? Are you driving with your ears? There are two cars ahead. Only when you hear the sound startle others. I wonder what the driver is looking at. Will you startle yourself? At that moment, you should look ahead. Look, the driver is making a U-turn here. When he realizes overtook from that side, he won't even react and hit someone on the highway. Look at all the make a U-turn here. It's a double yellow line. They're already starting to bunch up. He made a U-turn. I advise everyone not to squeeze in, and the overtaking car also did. Pay attention, everyone. Neither of them can cross the line. It's best to maintain a safe distance. He's still crossing the line. You and I are emotionally empty. So how do you think the intersection ahead is going straight now? I'm in the leftmost lane. Watch after we enter. A car on the right is overtaking. It's also an overtaking here. Don't blame me for his actions. This truck is overtaking. Nice. Shouldn't he also yield to a tractor? Well done. Unexpected. You haven't mastered another car overtaking here too. And you're imitating others overtaking. Our driver has already braked. But look, then you're asking too late. This tractor isn't operating. The intersection is slippery. You must watch. It's his own direction. Watch out for the electric bike in front. And listen, the driver also says he's turning left now. It has nothing to do with a car coming from the right. It's entirely his fault. This doesn't seem to be on the main large vehicles on the bend ahead. This seems to be inside the residential area. But it seems like even God is reminding me. You can't be careless while driving. There's really no way to say on this kind of incident-prone road. Who's wrong? Come on. Can only blame the road. Let's look at a runaway car. Both cars are fully loaded with goods. Wow, it's running. If there was an empty car running and jumping, it would have avoided the green light. Buddy, someone else crashed because of a runaway car. The electric bikes on the right front are also going forward on the green light. Heard that idiot on my left? Unexpectedly, a small car following so closely. It ran the red light directly, isn't it? And knocked the other person down. I was keeping a safe distance. This time, we're on the side of the electric closer. Oh. He might have cut me off. The electric bike was going straight normally. I would have crashed into him. The car owner is a newbie. Some people really don't care about others on the highway when they drive and encountered this car ahead. Seriously, it's like this road exit was directly by his own family. Wow. Look, there are 3 lanes here. A car came up on the left side of first time on the highway, which is the rightmost lane, has already scared him after it came up. What you're doing to change lanes over here again. Take a look. Just this kind of lane changing method. Who can stand this? Come on, buddy. At least be normal, will you? Can you even drive? 3 lanes. And there aren't many cars. You can change lanes however you want. It shouldn't be necessary to squeeze us, right? Drifting here. This road is enough for you to drive on. Let's look at the second one. Preparing to turn right. There are many e-bike riders on the right. At this time, stop and observe the e-bikes on the right. That's well done. Don't rush. Look, there's an e-bike. If we hit them, then it's our responsibility. There are no cars now. Let's keep going. But there's also a car behind us, turning right. He can't wait to overtake from behind that one. Oh my goodness, buddy. Why don't you just fly over there? As if only you know how to drive. We drive slowly to yield to others, right? This must be the other party's full responsibility. There are no traffic lights at the third intersection. There's a vehicle coming from the left. The other party is fully responsible. The owner said so. It's determined to be the other party's full responsibility. I don't need to explain the reasons, right? Fourth, watch out, there's a car ahead. Oh my God, buddy. That's not right to come out like that. This is entirely the other party's fault. There's no problem at all. Some people just like to take shortcuts. Fifth, watch the leftmost lane. A black Passat has turned on its signal and is changing lanes. After changing one lane, he's starting to change to the second lane again. We were right beside them at this moment. They couldn't have missed us, right? But they really didn't see us. And they hit us again. If they change one lane and keep going to the second, everyone must be careful. Sixth one. The vehicles parked on the bend ahead also have a blind spot. An e-bike came from the opposite side, and they fell over on their own. Oh my goodness. Scared us. In this situation, I don't think it has anything to do with us drivers. It's obviously his own problem. The seventh traffic light is about to turn green. Pay attention, there's an e-bike coming from under the bridge on the left. And a Tesla on the right is taking off very fast. But it's unlucky. That's how it is, electric cars are really fast at accelerating. But it's also very dangerous. In this kind of intersection, try not to drive so fast. This electric bike is also hurting others. You have to anticipate. I'm not saying anything. Of course, if it's oneself who suffers in the end, then it's definitely his fault. Number 8. The traffic light at the intersection ahead is now green to the left lane. You can go straight. And the distance is still so far. You can also turn left. He's also starting to move. But in this situation, well, I have to let the vehicles going straight go first, right? When crossing the road, let's go. You not only have to look at the distance of this electric traveling the motorcycle here, but also have to look at the speed. He's going straight. You must calculate the speed and distance. At this intersection up ahead, there's only a flashing yellow light. They won't be able to stop either. At times like these, you must observe carefully before proceeding. By borrowing a lane. Go slower. The truck in the opposite direction suddenly you definitely need to slow down. The steering wheel was turned in a very scary way. It's screwed again. Let's watch that again. This intersection actually has quite an open view. At this distance, if you had only observed more, overtaking this tricycle, it wouldn't be like this. You should either pass quickly. Such sharp turns ahead, seeing the big truck have huge blind spots to avoid it. You must make sure to avoid it at this moment. Hey, then you might be in trouble. Honking in advance is also a reminder to the other party. Let's look at this one. Regardless of whether you're driving normally now, in such places everyone should try to keep right. After coming up, motorcycle also has to keep towards here. Don't ride. That's not proper. In small village roads with residential buildings on both sides, this is cutting in line. It may seem like there are no cars on the road. Let's see what's going on here, and no people on the highway. But you're afraid the children of the residents on very dangerous might cry. Look at that big truck in front. If you hadn't reacted so quickly, are there any cars in front? A real problem on the curves. No cars. We all know. Obviously, we must drive on the right. But these cars basically all follow this rule. Doesn't mean there's no car. But the problem is some electric bikes, or there's no car motorcycles on these curves. Look, just as we were about in the middle of the road, he suddenly started to change lanes. You thought he did it on purpose. But unexpectedly, after you saw him driving, there was a car beside him. It's like the two of them were following each other closely. You couldn't see it at all before, because he has no car. But suddenly changing lanes is very dangerous. Changing lanes to the right. You have to look at the straight vehicles on the right. Look, there are straight vehicles on the right. You don't yield. As a result, he must be very uncomfortable. He doesn't yield either. But you're squeezing with others. And the person in front got rear-ended. You must feel good now. But your move was indeed wrong. There's a truck stopped ahead. I'm driving on the left. This isn't driving the wrong way, is it? Then, a car at this intersection suddenly reversed. At high speed. After reversing out, it hit them. As a result, he got out and said we were driving the wrong way. That's not right. This situation doesn't count as driving the wrong way, right? You reversed way too fast. How can you blame me? You have to be careful when driving in the rain. Look at that car ahead. And there's a curve here. Damn, it's out of control again. As a result, it crashed. Ouch. But it looks okay. It's good that no one was injured. The road is slippery in the rain, especially at the bends. You must control your speed. You need to control the brakes and the steering wheel. When driving at night in intersections like this, compared to the daytime, it's even safer, because you can see the lights. See the lights on the wall on the left.